Do you struggle to pronounce words correctly while speaking? Do you ever feel embarrassed because of mispronunciation? Or do you find yourself in situations where people misunderstand you? Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, then don't worry, you're not alone. Even I went through the same phase. I was in the habit of mispronouncing a lot of words, and so many people made me feel embarrassed because of my pronunciation. But you know what? Gradually, I discovered a technique that helped me pronouncing the words correctly. And by following this technique every day, this is how I am today pronouncing the words correctly. So I thought, why not to share this technique with you as well? I am always ready to help you improving your English, developing your English skills. And for this reason, in this video, I am going to share a fun yet powerful way to improve your English pronunciation effortlessly. Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Priyanka Chaudhary. Today we are going to practice 10 super effective tongue twisters that will sharpen your pronunciation, boost your fluency, and make your speech clearer. Plus, I will break them down step by step so you can master them with ease. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's understand what are tongue twisters. So, tongue twisters are short, tricky sentences that challenge your tongue, mouth, and brain to work together smoothly. They help you pronounce difficult sounds, improve fluency, and make your speech clearer. So let's get started with tongue twister number 1. She sells seashells by the seashore. This one is fantastic for practicing the s and sh sounds. Let's break it down to make it easier for you to read. She sells. Make sure the s sound is crisp. Okay? So s and sh. She sells. Next. Seashells. Seashells. And the next one. By the seashore. By the seashore. Keep the sh and s sounds different. Now let's say it slowly first. She sells seashells by the seashore. Great. Now a little faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. And now full speed. Are you ready? Let's do it with me. She sells seashells by the seashore. Wasn't that amazing? Yes, it was. I personally loved it. Let's move on to tongue twister number 2. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. It was lovely. This tongue twister focuses on the p sound, which needs a strong puff of air. Now, are you ready to try this with me? Let's break it down. Peter Piper. Peter Piper. Try to make a strong p sound. Okay. Next. Picked a peck. Picked a peck of pickled peppers. Keep the rhythm steady. Of pickled peppers. Now let's do it slowly. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now a little faster. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. And now full speed. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now it's your turn to do it. Try this. Here is tongue twister number 3. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Oh, it was quite difficult, right? Let's make it easy. This is gonna be perfect for the kl, kr, and k sound. Let's break it down. How can a clam? How can a clam cram in a clean? Cram in a clean cream can. Cream can. Let's practice it slowly first. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Now faster. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Wow, I liked it. It's your turn now, do it. Let's move on to the next tongue twister. Here is the fourth one. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. This one is going to help you practice s and r sounds while improving your rhythm. Try saying it with expression that you're really excited about ice cream. Okay, let's do it slowly first. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now faster. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. It was amazing. Give it a try. Next one. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. This one focuses on the b sound and it helps you with clarity in speech. Let's break it down. Betty bought some butter. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Now let's say it slowly. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Now, are you ready to do it faster? Yes? Let's do it. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. You did it. That was amazing. Next one is the next tongue twister, number 6. Red lorry, yellow lorry. It seems quite easy, right? Okay, let's give it a try. Let's make it a little tricky. This one is going to help you distinguish between the r and l sounds. You are supposed to say this tongue twister 3 times at least in a row and try to keep the words clear. Let's say it slowly. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. I did it 3 times. Can you do this? Let's do it faster. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. I did it. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Do it. Here we are moving towards tongue twister number 7. Have a look. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Here you are supposed to focus on Z sound. Okay? Let's break it down to make it easier for you to pronounce each and every word clearly. Let's begin. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Wuzzy had no hair. Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Now let's do it slowly. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Now it's the time to do it faster. Are you ready? Let's do it with me. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? You did it. Excellent. Let's move on to the next tongue twister, number 8. 6 slippery snails slid slowly south. Here you have to focus on the s and l sound. Let's break it down. 6 slippery. 6 slippery. Snails slid. Snails slid. Slowly south. Slowly south. Let's do it all together slowly. 6 slippery snails slid slowly south. Faster. 6 slippery snails slid slowly south. Wonderful. Can you do this now? Here it is, tongue twister number 9. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Focus on the ch and sh sound here. Now let's break it down. If a dog choose shoes, choose shoes. Whose shoes does he choose? Let's do it slowly. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Can you do this faster? Let's do it with me. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Wasn't that outstanding? Yes, it was. And here we have the last tongue twister in the list. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Focus here on the s and sh sound. Well, I find it quite tricky and quite difficult to pronounce these two sounds all together, the s and sh sounds. That's why I have compiled a few more tongue twisters that deal with these two sounds to help you practice and pronouncing the words, these two words pronunciation, letters pronunciation clearly. Let's break it down. I saw Susie. I saw Susie sitting in a sitting in a shoe shine shop. Shoe shine shop. Now let's try them one by one. First slowly and then faster. Let's do it. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Faster. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Can you do this? Let me know in the comments. Were you able to do it or not? Wow, that was fun, wasn't it? Tongue twisters are a fantastic way to practice pronunciation and make your speech clearer. Here is what you should do next. Practice these tongue twisters daily. It should not be like you are very excited and motivated today only and then you forget doing it another day, okay? So make it sure that you are practicing it daily if you really want to improve your pronunciation. Second, record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Recording will help you to judge your pronunciation. Were you pronouncing it correctly or not? And here is the third one. Challenge your friends to say them faster than you. When you will be practicing all these tongue twisters on the daily basis, then you will be able to speak all these faster. Then you can challenge, all right? So do not forget to do these three things, okay? Well, if you found this helpful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun English learning tips. Also comment below which tongue twister was the hardest for you and which one was the easiest. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.